Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how you can request money on PayPal. To request money on PayPal, open your PayPal application and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. From the menu section, click on Request Money. After you tap on Request Money, enter the recipient's email or phone number of the person you are requesting money from. After entering and choosing the person, enter the amount you want to request and you will be able to click on the Request Payment button to complete your request. And yes, you can also add a description or note explaining the request. The recipient will then receive a notification via email or app, and you can track the status of your request inside the Activity tab. That is how you will be able to request money on PayPal account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.